Welcome to an animated simulation of Aquatic Life Technologies' Gen 2 shrimp production plant. A sprawling 40,000 square foot, one-quarter size aquatic life plant facility designed to redefine shrimp farming worldwide. To be nestled just outside Phoenix in Glendale, Arizona, will lie the future marvel of modern aquaculture.
Our state-of-the-art complex includes everything from advanced office spaces to expansive production areas, all strategically located near major transport routes for swift access to local and international markets. Our layout includes an administrative office, production management, and training areas. In the production area is where our Gen 2 shrimp farming systems are steadily growing and harvesting shrimp, a packaging area, and a refrigerated inventory storage area to facilitate quick and easy shipping. Step inside and you're greeted by our friendly team in a welcoming environment. Here, innovation meets efficiency. Visitors can learn about our cutting-edge Gen 2 shrimp harvesting system right in our lobby, where education and expertise come together. Behind secure entry doors lies the heart of our operation. 12 revolutionary Gen 2 shrimp farming systems operate alongside state-of-the-art water treatment and storage solutions, setting new standards in sustainable aquaculture. Each Gen 2 system features 8 specially designed vertical farming trays. From the initial addition of shrimp larvae to the mature shrimp ready for harvest, our automated processes ensure optimal growth conditions with minimal stress on the shrimp, thanks to our innovative transfer technology. These trays allow the production crew to begin its year-round cyclical farming process by adding shrimp larvae into the top tray or tray number 1. The larvae are fed and meticulously managed through our automated system in Stage 1 to be ready to move to Stage 2 within 30 days. After 30 days, the shrimp move to trays numbered 2 and 3, and Tray 1 is refilled, thus creating a continuous growing process. Here, they are automatically cared for during this phase until large enough to move to Stage 3. In Stage 3, the shrimp are transported to trays numbered 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 from both trays numbered 2 and 3. They will stay in these trays until maturity and ready for harvesting. Note: our innovative transfer technology prevents stress and harm to the shrimp by ensuring smooth passage using curved pipes and a gradual sliding process using diagonal pipes instead of dropping shrimp vertically from one stage to the next. And gateway valves are used to determine which shrimp need to be moved from one tray to the other. When it's time for harvest, our shrimp are carefully transferred to a processing area where they are graded, packaged, and prepared for delivery. This meticulous process guarantees that our shrimp meet the highest standards of quality. Packaged with precision, our shrimp then make their way to the storage area, awaiting dispatch to cater to the high demands of gourmet restaurants and seafood markets. From our raceways to your plate, our fresh, never frozen, or live shrimp travel directly to culinary destinations across the city using its patented, sustainable, continuous environmentally friendly grow-up process where they are transformed into exquisite dishes that delight diners. At Aquatic Life Technologies, we're not just farming shrimp, we're pioneering a sustainable future for seafood. Our patented technology and innovative practices promise a healthier, tastier, and more environmentally friendly shrimp that's grown right here in the USA. Join us in revolutionizing seafood consumption for a better tomorrow. The Aquatic Life Technologies Gen 2 Shrimp Harvesting Plant. Fresh, sustainable, revolutionary.